Good morning guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm sitting in my hide again, and it's really cold. I think today morning it's about minus 4 degrees, so everything is frozen and there's a bit of snow out there, and I try to photograph the birds again. I already put out bird aid, so I filled up the bird feeder because it was totally empty, and I hope that the birds recognize it so fast now that there's bird aid again. But yeah, in this time when everything is frozen and there's a bit of snow, it's really important, or it's especially really important to feed the birds, and because of this I really hope they are coming today morning, because that way I could take amazing photos. But now it's almost a bit dark, and I have to wait until the birds are coming and until there is a bit more light. So see you later. Okay, it's about 10 minutes later now, and I can hear a lot of birds. That's already really good. But until now they're not coming. I'm down to the bird feeder here, but here are lots of tits today morning. Some great tits, but I also can hear some marsh tits, and I can also hear some blackbirds and some jays. But here hopefully they will come down in a few minutes, because right now the sun is rising up. Of course, there are lots of clouds in the sky today, but yeah, I just hope that the birds are coming now. Oh no guys, now it's starting to snow a bit, and everything is so beautiful. The environment here today is so beautiful, but the birds are just not coming down to the bird feeder. I don't know why. That's so sad, but I can't change it. I only can wait and hope. The birds are finally here. But I have a big problem. I put one perch on top of the bird feeder, and lots of birds were always sitting down there, and that was perfect to photograph. But I recognized right a few minutes ago that this perch is gone. I have no idea where it is. I think a bigger bird like a jay was sitting down, and then it was getting broken. Now I think of if I should go out, look in the forest for another perch, and put it on top of the bird feeder, because like this I think I cannot make any good photos. But the risk is that all the birds are gone after this. I'm not sure what I should do. But like that, it's also really stupid. Here are lots of marsh tits right now. Some nutters, or however they are pronounced, I have no idea. And some grey tits. And the activity is really high right now. So they're sitting another nuttage in front of me and is eating. I'm not sure if I should go out. That's a really hard decision. Okay guys, I decided now to do this. I will go out really quickly a saw and go into the forest, look for a small branch, and then I will put it on top of the bird feeder, because otherwise I cannot make any good photos. So yeah, see you later. I set up this perch now, and the birds are still here, so that's really good. And the first marsh tit was already sitting down to this perch, but I was too slowly to photograph. But guys, oh my goodness, it's so cold. I'm shaking so much right now. My fingers are so freaking cold, because out there are about -5 degrees or something like that. And inside here it was a bit warmer, but when I was going out it was so cold. But I think it will pay off, because I recognize now how the birds are getting more and more active. So yeah, it's time to wait until the first bird is sitting down to this perch. Oh my goodness, guys, it's going on so much at the It's going on so much. That's so nice. And it makes so much fun to photograph here. Even if my fingers and my feet are so cold. Oh my goodness. But it's so nice. Oh. There's so many birds. But it's also really hard to photograph them, because yeah, they are so fast. And oh, there's a blue tit. And you just have a few seconds to take the photo. But it's really nice. But guys, it's really interesting, because after a time now I can really see different behaviors from the different species of birds. So for example, the nuthatch, or however they are called, is always just flying to the bird feeder real quick, then it's eating there for about 20 seconds and it's flying away. So it is never sitting down to the perch. Then there are the marsh tits. There are actually a lot of them, and they are really often flying on top of the perch. And then there are the marsh tits. There are actually lots of them, and they are flying really often to the perch. And I still know the exactly place where they sit down. So they are always sitting down to the same place, and that helps a lot to photograph them, because then I can face my camera directly to this place, because they are so fast. You just have about 2 or 3 seconds to photograph them, and then they're flying away again, or they're flying to the bird feeder. But it's really, really interesting to watch the birds and yeah, just learn how they think and what they do. It's really nice. It was such a nice decision to build the site here. I'm so happy. Okay, I go back home now because it's so cold. The birds are still here, but I'm shaking so much. But it was a beautiful day. I was able to take amazing photos and videos, and I'm really happy with the results. Definitely paid off. I think I'm sitting here now since 4.5 hours, so really, really long. And now it's definitely time to go back home. If you want to see more about this height here and how I photographed out of here, then make sure to check out my last video. And it would be really nice if you support me and subscribe my channel, and probably you can give this video a thumb up. And yeah, now I can only say have a great week. See you out there. Bye.